Welcome to this comprehensive guide to understanding one of the most miraculous journeys of life, the process of pregnancy and childbirth. Whether you're an expectant parent, a curious learner, or simply interested in this incredible process, we're here to break it all down for you, step by step. Every pregnancy begins with conception. This occurs when a sperm cell from the male fertilizes an egg from the female in the fallopian tube. This fertilized egg, now called a zygote, begins its journey toward the uterus, where it will implant and start to grow. Implantation occurs around 6 to 10 days after fertilization, and this is when pregnancy officially begins. The zygote transforms into a blastocyst and attaches itself to the uterine lining, preparing for development. The first trimester is crucial for your baby's development. During these first 12 weeks, the major organs and systems begin to form. The embryo becomes a fetus by week 8, and by week 12, the baby has tiny arms, legs, and even a beating heart. This stage is also when most women experience symptoms such as nausea, fatigue, and hormonal changes. The second trimester is often considered the most comfortable period of pregnancy. The baby continues to grow rapidly, and by week 18 to 20, you may start to feel those tiny kicks and movements. This is also when many parents begin preparing for the baby's arrival, from nursery setups to selecting baby names. The third trimester is the final stretch of pregnancy. During this time, the baby gains weight, develops lungs, and prepares for life outside the womb. By week 36, the baby often moves into a head-down position, ready for birth. When the baby is ready to be born, the mother's body begins the process of labor. Labor typically happens in 3 stages: dilation of the cervix, delivery of the baby, and delivery of the placenta. Every delivery is unique, and it can happen in a hospital, a birthing center, or even at home, depending on the family's plan and preferences. After birth, the mother and baby spend time bonding, and the baby's first cries signify the start of life outside the womb. The postpartum period is a time for healing and adjustment for the mother, as well as for the entire family. Pregnancy and childbirth are extraordinary journeys filled with challenges and joys. We hope this guide has helped you better understand the incredible process of bringing new life into the world.